Have you ever been in a relationship that felt like a roller coaster full of dizzying highs and devastating lows? Sometimes what we think is intense passion is actually a sign of toxic love. It's a tricky thing because it often hides behind a mask of intense connection. But let's talk about the red flags we can't ignore. Things like gaslighting, where someone makes you doubt your own sanity, constant control over who you see or what you do, endless criticism that chips away at your self-esteem, and emotional manipulation that leaves you feeling confused and exhausted. So why do we stay? It's complicated. Often, it's the fear of being alone, or we feel like we've invested so much time and energy that we can't just walk away. This is called the sunk cost fallacy. We might also cling to the hope that they'll change, an unhealthy attachment that feels impossible to break. Recognizing this cycle is the very first step to breaking free. This means creating emotional distance. It is about disconnecting from the story of us and starting to focus on the story of me. A practical way to start this is with a digital detox. Unfollow or mute them on social media. It's about protecting your mental clarity and giving yourself space to heal without constant reminders. Then, set strict boundaries on communication. This could mean limiting contact to only essential texts or deciding to go no contact altogether. This isn't about punishing them. It's about prioritizing your own well-being. Now it's time to nourish your wounds with self-compassion. For too long, you've probably had an inner critic telling you you're not good enough. It's time to silence that voice and awaken your inner champion. This means actively practicing radical self-care. Prioritize getting enough sleep, eating nutritious food that makes you feel good, and rediscovering activities that bring you pure joy, whether it's painting, hiking, or just dancing around your living room. And most importantly, you have to forgive yourself. You are worthy of love and respect, regardless of past choices. Your worth was never up for debate. As you heal, you need to fortify your future by learning to set strong boundaries. Think about your non-negotiables. What will you absolutely not accept in any future relationship? These are your core values. Then practice communicating these boundaries clearly and calmly. Remember, no is a complete sentence. You don't owe anyone a long explanation for protecting your peace. The real power comes from enforcing these boundaries. When you do, you're resending a powerful message to yourself and others that your energy and self-respect are precious and non-negotiable. Finally, we get to the best part, thriving beyond the trauma and embracing new beginnings. This is your chance to rediscover yourself. Who were you before the relationship? What passions and dreams did you set aside? It's time to bring them back to the forefront. Build a strong support system around you. Lean on trusted friends and family who lift you up. And don't be afraid to seek professional help from a therapist or counselor. They can provide invaluable tools for healing. One day, when you're truly ready, you'll have the courage to love again. But this time, you'll enter into it with newfound wisdom, a strong sense of self-worth, and boundaries of steel. You've got this. Thanks for watching. If this video resonated with you, please like and subscribe for more content on healing and personal growth.